create a file using touch command. Now if we say new file, not guide, let's new file again file. Yeah. So what this actually do? See, it created a simple file. It just created a file, nothing else. It just simply created a file. That's it. This guy did nothing apart from simply creating a file for me. That's it. Easy, really easy. Now, for example, if I show you one thing, wait, let me see. It's ls 500. Okay, you see, it's zero. What is the zero? It's the size. It's because there is no content. In this, it's the size. It's because there is content. These are the size. There's equal distribution of content. Okay, now we are going to create a directory. So now what we are going to do is create a directory. Now how we create it? We use mkdir command. Then we use new directory name. Okay, what is mkdir? mkdir stands for make directory. That's it. As simple as that. We use mkdir, then I say new. That's it. I created a folder. See, I created a new directory. Now, as I said, if I want to switch to this directory, I can easily switch. Okay, now I have to navigate. I simply navigated it. Now, let's see if I let's go outside first. Now I should create touch old file. Is this old file created? Yeah, it is created. Now what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to type a copy command. I'm copying this file cp old file forward slash, it's not in the root user. Okay, we are in Kali. Then what? We use new. If you do pwd, yep, we do cd, then we do old file. Yes, sorry, I'm using cd, it's cp. Yeah, now if I use old file, then I use home, then I use Kali, then it's in my new folder, then I will type new file. Now let's see what happens. If we go to new, see, we what this command is, this cp command is the short form for copy. Cp stands for copy. What we are going to do is we are taking this old file, and then this old file we are keeping in a directory called new, and with a name of new file. So basically all the content of the old file is going to get copied. Renaming also we have done, it's an optional step, but the main process is to add the old file into the new folder in the new directory. We just renamed it. It's not necessary. You have to do it, you do, it's not. If not, then it's particularly fine. Now let's see. Another command I'm going to use is rename. Now Linux doesn't offer you a rename command actually. So what you have to use is mv. Mv is used as renaming command as well as command that can be used to move a file or a directory to the new location. For example, there is this file called new file, right? So if I want to name it ysy, I can simply name it. See, the name has been changed. Content within the file will be the same, but the name of the file has been changed. I have used mv command to rename, and I can use this mv command as well to move the file to somewhere else. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm inside this folder. I'm going to use rm wsy, then use this rm is used for remove. This is really easy command. If I go back, then I have to remove a directory. For removing the directory, we will use rmdir. This is to remove, this is to remove directory, then this is used for move and rename as well. Yep. If I want to remove the directory, I have to use rmdir and then I type this folder. Okay, this happens. But if, let's say, this was the folder which was empty, but let's say if the folder is not empty and there is some file, let me create a new file here. And if we go through, yep, I created a file, and now if I use this command, it won't be removed, right? Because directory is not empty. What we do is simply type R. We're simply going to type R. This hyphen R will be going to remove the files inside the directory also. Okay. Oh, sorry. There's a mistake. It's not rmdir, it's rm. Remove R. The R first is going to remove the files and then also going to remove the directory as well. Okay. So that's it, guys, from my side. Now you have to play and practice. This was the last part of the chapter 1 that we have completed. So far so good. Now I will be posting some of the questions or some of the exercises that you can perform on your own Kali machine, so that you can practice them and let me know the answers, or let me know whether you are able to solve them or not. So relax, guys, those exercises are going to be really easy. That's going to give you a hands on. Till then, see you. Keep subscribing and liking my videos to get such more content.